Hey everyone, I'm Phalaris, the Iron Fist of Akragas. Ruled Sicily from 554 to 570 BC. I roasted thousands of people in my bronze bull. Anyway, I'll pass the camera on to the next dictator.
Yo, what's up? I'm Cambyses II, king of the Achaemenid Empire, who ruled from 522 to 530 BC. I massacred 50,000 people to keep my throne. I'll pass the camera on to the next dictator.
Hey, I'm Dionysius I, the president of Syracuse, Sicily, who ruled from 405 to 367 BC. I killed 10,000 people. I'll pass the camera on to the next dictator.
I am Qin Shi Huang, Emperor of the Qin Dynasty of China. I ruled from 221 to 210 BC. During this time, I killed 2 million people. I will give this camera to the next bloody dictator.
Hey, I am Cornelius Sulla, the ruler of Rome from 82 to 81 BC. I oppressed and killed 470,000 people. I will pass the camera to the next dictator.
I am Herod the Great, King of the Jews, who ruled from 37 to 4 BC. I killed 100,000 people. I will give this camera to the next dictator.
Hey, I am Caligula, the young emperor of Rome, who ruled from 37 to 41 AD. I killed about 5,000 people. I will give this camera to the next dictator.
Finally, the camera is with me. I am Nero, King of Rome, who ruled from 54 to 68 AD. I killed 100,000 people. I will give this camera to the next dictator.
I am Domitian, Emperor of Rome, who ruled from 81 to 96 AD. I killed 10,000 people. I will give this camera to the next bloody dictator.
I'm Commodus, Emperor of Rome, 180 to 192 AD. I killed 20,000 people. I'll give the camera to the last dictator of Rome.
I'm Caracalla, Emperor of Rome, 211 to 17 AD. I killed 50,000 people to keep my power. I will entrust the camera to the bloodiest dictator next.
Hey, I'm Attila the Hun, Emperor of the Huns, who ruled from 434 to 453 AD. I killed 10 million people. I'll give the camera to the next dictator.
I don't think there's anyone bloodier than me. I killed 17 million people from 1370 to 1405 AD. I'm Timur Lenk. I'll hand the camera to the next vampire.
I'm Vlad III the Impaler, known as the Vampire of Wallachia, Romania. I ruled from 1456 to 1462 and killed 80,000 people. I'll give the camera to the next dictator.
Hey, I'm Ivan the Terrible, the first Tsar of all Russia. I ruled from 1547 to 1584. During that time, I killed 3 million people. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
Hello, I'm Louis XIV, King of France, who ruled from 1643 to 1715. During that time, I killed 2 million people. I'll send the camera back to Russia.
From 1682 to 1725, I ruled Russia. and I killed 100,000 people. I'm Peter the Great. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
The camera is back in France. I am Napoleon Bonaparte, who ruled from 1799 to 1815. During that time, I killed 6 million people. I'll send the camera to Haiti.
Hello, I'm Jean-Jacques Dessalines, who ruled Haiti from 1804 to 1806. During that time, I killed 5,000 people. I'll give the camera to the next dictator.
I'm Simón Bolívar, the supreme ruler of Gran Colombia, who led from 1821 to 1830. During that time, I killed over 200,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the next bloodthirsty dictator.
Hello, I am Antonio López de Santana from Mexico, who ruled from 1833 to 1855. I killed about 100,000 people. I'll give the camera to the next dictator.
Hey, I'm Francisco Solano López from Paraguay, who ruled from 1862 to 1869. During that time, I killed 600,000 people. I'll send the camera to Venezuela.
I am Juan Vicente Gomez from Venezuela. I ruled from 1908 to 1935. During that time, I killed 200,000 people. I'll entrust the camera to the next dictator.
Hello, friends. I am Benito Mussolini from Italy. I ruled from 1922 to 1943. During that time, I killed 1,400,000 people. I'll give the camera to the next bloodthirsty dictator.
I am Joseph Stalin, master of the Soviet Union, who ruled from 1924 to 1953. I killed between 20 and 30 million people. Honestly, I lost count. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
You were all waiting for me, yes. I fought from 1933 to 1945. I killed 35 million people, and in the end, I didn't reach my goal. I'll send this camera to Spain.
Hey friends, I'm Jorge Ubico, the strongman of Guatemala, who ruled from 1931 to 1944. During that time, I killed 100,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the next bloodiest dictator.
I am Francisco Franco, ruler of Spain from 1939 to 1975. I killed 200,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator. You son of a bitch!
I'm Kim Il-sung from North Korea. I was there from 1948 to 1994. Unfortunately, I killed 2 million people. I'll send the camera to China.
I'm Mao Zedong from China, who ruled from 1949 to 1976. I think I may have killed between 40 and 80 million people. I'll send the camera to Indonesia.
I'm Suharto, ruler of all Indonesia, who ruled from 1967 to 1998. During that time, I killed 1 million people. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
Hey friends, I'm Hafez el-Assad, president of Syria from 1971 to 2000. I killed 50,000 people to keep my power. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
Hey friends, I'm Idi Amin, the most dictatorial commander of Uganda, who ruled from 1971 to 1979. During that time, I killed 50,000 people. I'll send the camera to Ethiopia.
Hey friends, I'm Mengistu Haile Mariam, ruler of all Ethiopia, who ruled from 1977 to 1991. During that time, I killed 2 million people. I'll send a camera to Iraq.
Finally, the camera is with me. I ruled from 1979 to 2003. I'm Saddam Hussein. During that time, I killed 1,250,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
Hey friends, I'm Slobodan Milosevic, ruler of Yugoslavia, Serbia from 1989 to 2000. During that time, I killed 200,000 people. I'll send the camera to Sudan.
Hey friends, I'm Omar al-Bashir, ruler of Sudan from 1989 to 2019. During that time, through war and mass violence, I killed about 300,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the next dictator.
Hey, I'm Ali Khamenei, leader of the dispossessed, who occupied Iran from 1989 to 2025. During that time, I killed many people through executions and repression. I lost count. In any case, I'll send the camera to North Korea.
Hey, I'm Kim Jong-il, ruler of all North Korea from 1944 to 2011. During that time, I killed 1,700,000 people. I'll entrust the camera to the dictator of Syria.
Hey friends, how are you? I'm Bashar al-Assad. I took over Syria after my father in 2000 and ruled since then. I committed many atrocities against the Syrian people and the Kurds, and I killed 500,000 people. I'll pass the camera to the last dictator in history so far.
Ooh, I, since 2011, after my father, ruled North Korea. Until now, unfortunate, I killed 100,000 people. From here, camera no go anyone else. This is end.
But no, the camera made it here too. This will be the end of this video. But in the next episodes, we will bring the history of the world to life with a fascinating and breathtaking narration. Please subscribe so you don't forget us in the chaos of YouTube.